my name's Hailey. I'm studying BSc Oral Health Science at the University of Highlands and Islands. I'm from Hopeman originally. I've moved to Lossiemouth, which is Moray in Scotland, so I'm able to travel back and forth. It takes about an hour. I started as a dental nurse. I was a dental nurse for 3 years beforehand. I knew I wanted to do something further within dentistry, and I used to watch over a hygienist at work. I knew that the dental therapist course, and I used to like watching the dentist do restorations, so that's something that I was interested in. First year was quite hard to start off with because the first semester we were all online, so it was good to get the theory done, and then it was exciting to get into the university in the second semester of first year. But second year's been better because we've been working with patients. We've started doing restorations as well, which is really good. It's great meeting people, like we're all from throughout UK. There was one person else that was in Inverness, but I've met so much more people here. In third year you go down to Perth to the dental hospital, and you work for doing GA for the children. There's also 2 practices that you can go for to do work placement. It's really good. Yeah, I feel like they're very supportive, especially doing clinical practical studies. They're always hovering over us. So I would like to work in maybe mixed private practice, but I'd also consider working in a prison as well to do dental therapy. I'm quite open to options. Go for it. Like, I thought when I was 27, I thought, oh, I'm getting a bit older now, but no, there's a variety of ages on this course, and I would just go for it. It's great.